welcome to another video. I am Debbie. Today I have another discount company that I would like to share with you guys, and this is a new company to me. The name of the company is A Diamond Painting, and A Diamond Painting reached out to me and asked me if I would like to review some of their kits on my channel, and told them that I would be glad to. So they do have a special, and one of the specials, and it's the one that I had gotten, is you buy 3, you get 1 free. I didn't pay for these, but I will put the amounts that they cost underneath the description, as well as their other discounts. So the more that you buy, the more free items that you do get. So I'm going to move all of these over, and I did get 4 diamond paintings. I did not get any accessories or anything. So let me open this first one. And I haven't seen any of these unboxed before, so not really sure what all comes with their paintings. So I'm really curious to see. Okay, it's not thick and it's not thin. It's actually a really good weight. And so this one is a 30 by 40, and it has 23 colors. You can see the schematic. It is on the top left here and the bottom right. And it does have the symbols, and it also has it has a drill number. So that is the DMC number, is there. This is the thumbnail. There's going to be a lot of white in the background, which I'm not really crazy about, but I've seen this one before and I thought that it was cute and thought that I would give it a try. It does have a really good sticky on it. And this says, whine a little, laugh a lot. So let's look. These are rounds. In your toolkit, you get your typical toolkit. You get your boat, your plate of wax, and then you get a pin with a single placer. And let's see. This is a round. Their bags are numbered by the number that's on the schematic here. Doesn't have the DMC number on the bags, but that's okay because I kit up. I'm not going to open all of these. I just want to look and see what the drill quality looks like. They look really good and flat, especially for acrylic drills. I don't see anything that would alert or concern me. Those are the colors. I do like the colors. I think they're really pretty. It does come in baggies, so if you like to just use the baggie, it will be easy for you. And then I will make my own stickers, and I'll just scan this onto my printer, and then copy it out onto either sticker paper, or I will run it through my Xyron. But I thought that was really cute. So move this one to the side. Let's look at another one. If you have been around for any amount of time, you have probably heard me talking about my cat. And anytime that I find a black cat canvas, I just get really excited. So this one is one that I thought was really cute. It is a 30 by 40. It is a black cat, and here is the thumbnail there. So that was really pretty. It has 25 colors. This one does have, and I didn't mention that on the other one either, but this one on the symbols, this is numbers, and it is letters only. The other one did have symbols. I tend to prefer numbers and letters, especially on the discount companies. For me, it's just easier to see. This is going to be a lot of color blocking. All of the cat is the one color, and that is S. which is number 939. So that's going to be really pretty. I might even bling this up with some ABs in the eyes, and then also some in this little flower here. But I thought that was really cute. That has good sticky. Some of this in the background, it's going to be a combination of color blocking and confetti. Also, if you look here underneath the number, this ADP 2365, on the, hopefully they have done this on theirs, and no they haven't. Normally on discount companies, I'm going to open this one and just see. I don't see, unless that 7 goes with something. No, I don't see that either. Usually on the packet of drills, it will correspond to that number that's at the top, but I do not see that on this one, so I'll have to keep these drills together. Don't think there's a lot of static in here either, not that I can really tell. This is how their bags come. It just shows a number that corresponds to the schematic. So I will have to definitely keep these all together, or I'll have to label them. I can label them and put the number, that ADP number. I can put that on the outside of this bag and also the outside of the other bag, so I will know exactly what this is for. Get another toolkit. It's the same as before. This is round, if I did not mention that. It looks like it's really good quality. It doesn't bend really bad. There's not any ripples. I just see where this needs to be flattened out some with the actual paper here, but it looks really good. I think that this is going to be fun to do. Will not take very long. You'll probably see this one soon. I'm trying to get some of the smaller ones and some of the discount company ones done, so I can get those out of the way, and also I can have some finishes, because I am working on some really large ones right now and I need a break. Here's another one. Same thing for the toolkit. I believe all of these are round. This one is a little more stiff than the other two were. I thought this was really cute. I went an animal theme this time. This has 25 colors. It's a 30 by 30. And again, it has the color list on the left and the right. Here's the thumbnail. It's a cute little cow. I can already see an issue with this, and this is very common with discount companies. If you look at the side here, it's already starting to fray. And so that's a concern. But I will put these, whenever I do finish them, I'll put these in my portfolio, and so they won't fray anymore. So I think it will be okay until I get those done. This one's going to be a lot of color blocking, even though there's quite a bit of colors for a 30 by 30. But I thought that this was really cute. And then here are the colors. Of course, it's mostly browns and grays, a little bit of bluish gray, because it's a cow. But that's what the colors look like, and they all look pretty good as well. And then the final one I thought was really cute too. Of course, if I didn't think it was cute, I guess I wouldn't have gotten it, right? Let's see. Here's our toolkit. This one comes in a larger bag for the drills, which isn't needed. This is another small one. How cute is this? This is a kitten, and it's on books. So I thought that was really cute. This, to me, the bottom one here, looks like a planner because it has the rings. My planners have rings, so that'd be really cute. I love the little glasses there, little reading glasses, possibly, or sunglasses. And then here we have some scissors, and it looks like maybe a pen there. So to me, the kitten is getting ready to work on her little planner. And I'm saying a her because there's a lot of pink There's a little pink bow there. And so I thought that would be cute. The only thing that I really had to think about this one is this whole background is one color, and it is going to be either white or cream. So I'm not sure, that's gonna just probably drive me insane, but I think it will be okay. But that's what the thumbnail looks like. And only 18 colors, that's not too bad. But here are the colors, and when I said it came in a bigger bag, it's like the plastic here is way longer than it needs to be, but that's okay. Another round, and I bet that's the color that's on the background. I wanted to have at least one of these finished to show, since this is a new company, but I just ran out of time. I need to go ahead and get this done because I've had it for a couple of weeks. But I am going to work on one of these, and so hopefully in the next week or two, I will have a finish, and then I will give you my thoughts on this company. But as of right now, there's nothing that I am seeing that would concern me. Nothing that I would alert you guys to other than that one was fraying. And if you don't care about that, then that's not a problem. The sticky is really good. The sizes I think are really good. And their pricing is comparable to all the other prices that I've seen. So let me show you on all of these. I need to keep the actual drills in order here so I don't get messed up. Okay, so this is what I've gotten, this cute little cat, the cow, which I think is really cute, and then I've gotten the black cat, and then this little one that's wine. So these I think are going to be really cute, perfect for me to not think about my large canvas, just to take a break from that. So I think that would be a lot of fun just to pick one of these and just to get that done in a record time. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please click on the like button. That definitely helps a lot. And if you hadn't subscribed, please consider doing so. I think that you would like it here. Until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.